Tired of wasting paper when printing your photos? Today, I will show you how to print multiple pictures on one page in Windows. First, locate the images you want to print. Select all of the images you want to put on one page. You can do this by holding the Ctrl key and clicking on each image individually. Right-click on any of the selected images in the context menu. Click Print. This opens the Print Pictures dialog box. In the Print Pictures window, on the right-hand side, you'll see several layout options. These are different ways to arrange your photos on a single page. Select the layout that best suits your needs. For example, you can choose to print 2, 4, or even more photos on a single page. Ensure that your paper size is correctly selected. Most likely, you'll be using standard letter size paper, which is 85 by 11 inches. You can adjust it in the paper size drop-down menu. You can also adjust the print quality to balance image clarity with ink usage. Higher quality will use more ink. Find it in the quality drop-down menu. If you want your pictures to fill the entire frame of the layout you selected, check the Fit Picture to Frame box. This might slightly crop your images, but it maximizes the printed area. Finally, click the Print button. Your printer will now print all the selected images on a single page according to the layout you chose. This is a simple and effective way to conserve paper and create custom photo layouts. Subscribe for more tips.